In this video, I'm going to teach you the trick Barber's pull, which looks like this. So the setup for this trick is very similar to Mach 5, so if you haven't already learned that trick, go check out that video, and we'll get into the trick. So you start off throwing a split bottom mount. Then, just as you would with Mach 5, you're going to bring your non-throw hand around, and you're going to get into the Mach 5 mount. Make sure that the strings are vertical and that your throw hand is above your non-throw hand. From here, you're going to rotate and swing the yo-yo around the front of the string towards your non-throw side, like so. And you're going to go around 2 or 3 times, and then go around another half rotation so the yo-yo ends up in front of the string. Then, just as you would a Mach 5, you're going to bring your throw hand in front of the yo-yo and your non-throw hand behind the yo-yo so that your hands switch positions and the yo-yo is on the side of the string closest to your body. Then you're going to keep rotating the yo-yo around the same way you were before, in front of the string and towards your non-throw side, until it completely unravels. Then you're going to roll the yo-yo forward onto your index finger of your throw hand, and that should bring you back into a split bottom mount. From here, you can drop the mount and bind the yo-yo. So if you're having a tough time learning this trick, some tips I can give you, first of all, is to make sure that the yo-yo stays in the center of the string, not too close to your non-throw hand or to your throw hand. Just right there in the middle, and that will allow the yo-yo to rotate a lot better. Another tip I can give you is when you're practicing this trick, start off by just learning it slowly. And then as you start practicing and getting more fluid, you can do the trick a lot faster. The final tip I have for you is that as you're starting to get faster with the rotation, you want to practice pulling tightly on the string, but not too tight that the yo-yo completely stops in place. Also, if you're pulling too loose, you'll notice that the yo-yo will actually either fall off the string or get tangled. So once you get the trick down, you can try, instead of going into the Mach 5 mount, just going directly into the rotation, which will make the motion look smoother and the trick will look better. You can also try adding some variations on this trick. For example, you can rotate the yo-yo the opposite direction, or you can go sideways and do the trick that way. You can also add it into combos. For example, you can put a Mach 5 at the end, or you can do pop and fresh. So have fun with it. And that was Barber's pull. So have fun with it, and that was Barber's pull.
And cut.
Guys, seriously, like, I need a haircut. I feel like it's just like so long, and I feel like people are judging me for it, like, honestly.
I mean, if you want, Evan, I can cut your hair for you.
Dude, you don't cut hair.
Yeah, I went to cosmetology school. I've got a degree in hairstyling.
Bro, I don't believe you. You can't cut my hair, bro.
How could I do this trick if I didn't have a degree in cosmetology?
Oh, okay, yeah, let's go do it. Yeah, okay, all right, yeah.